Welcome back. Today we're talking about what happens after the move and how living in Spain transforms your relationship and lifestyle. Once you settle in, you'll notice that Spain runs on a different rhythm. The day starts later, lunch breaks are longer, and evenings stretch well into the night. At first, it might feel strange, but over time you'll realize that Spain teaches couples how to slow down, breathe, and enjoy life's small moments. Apartments are often smaller here, which means you'll need to bring fewer things, but you're going to gain more experiences. Instead of a backyard, you'll have a local cafe terrace. Instead of endless errands, you'll have long walks together through plazas and parks. The Spanish way of life simplifies the noise and deepens connection. Even the challenges, like navigating visas, learning Spanish, or setting up utilities, become shared adventures when you face them together. Spain has a way of turning everyday frustrations into laughter and teamwork. Couples who once felt rushed back home say they've rediscovered each other here. That is the real gift of moving to Spain, not just the address, but a new rhythm of your relationship. As you settle into your new Spanish life, you'll start to see that moving abroad together isn't just about geography, it's about growth. The slower pace, the focus on togetherness, and the joy of daily discovery all work together to strengthen your bond in ways you may have never imagined. It's in those simple moments, sharing a coffee at a corner cafe, strolling hand in hand along the coast, or laughing your way through a conversation in imperfect Spanish, when you realize how far you've come, not just as individuals, but as partners. And that's why having the right moving company makes such a difference. SDC International team understands that this move is more than logistics. It's a life milestone. Their experienced team handles every aspect of your relocation with precision and care, from packing and shipping to customs and delivery, so you can focus on embracing your new life together. With SDC, your transition to Spain feels less like a move and more like a start of something extraordinary. A journey toward a more connected, fulfilled life. Make that change together with SDC International Shipping. Call us at 844-651-7050 or visit our website to start your new life in Spain today.